In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can use OpenAI's Chatgpt to help you in your trading. Over the last couple of months, I've been researching and looking into AI to help me with my trading. And what I've figured out is pretty crazy. I found an AI that can help you with your risk management, your trade reviewing, indicator analysis, technical analysis. All you got to do is ask it. On my channel, there's no fluff, no BS, just straight up value. With that being said, let's jump straight into it. Okay, so what can ChatGPT do as far as helping a trader? To find that out, we're just going to go ahead and ask the chat. Hey chat, can you help me figure out the best way to use you to help me in my trading? Give me 5 things that you can help me do in my trading, whether it be with analysis, risk management. Let me know what you got. All right, as you can see here now, it is just busting out the 5 ways it can help me in my trading. All right, let's see what he has to say.
And I can assist you in numerous ways. Here are 5 pivotal aspects where I can help optimize your trading strategy. Technical analysis, chart patterns recognition, trend identification, determine if the market is in an uptrend, downtrend, or ranging. Support and resistance zones, highlight key areas of interest. Risk management, suggest optimal areas for stop loss and take profit. Trade strategy and execution, propose potential entry and exit points. Analyze the chart for potential trade setups. Post-trade review, evaluate your executed trades visually. Identify areas of improvement in your trading strategy or execution. Provide feedback on whether you adhere to your trading plan or if any emotional biases might have influenced your decisions. Let's harness the synergy of our collaboration to optimize your trading decisions and achieve your goals.
All right, so as you see, it can pretty much do anything. Recently, OpenAI released a new version of ChatGPT 4. This version, you can add pictures, and this is the game changer for traders, because we can add in pictures of a concept that we're curious about learning, such as this is ICT's Reaper. And now I can ask the AI, please help me understand this concept taught by ICT. Here's an example of it. Please break down this strategy and give me step by step. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and press enter here and we'll see what it says. It immediately starts breaking down everything: buy side liquidity, fair value gap, 1 hour, ICT Reaper inversion, fair value gap. This is just one of the many ways you can use it, but this is the game changer for traders, because before we couldn't really give the AI specific examples. You could kind of explain it to them, but it didn't really help all that much. I am doing some studying of the NASDAQ on the daily time frame. I'm curious, do you have skills in predicting direction of price based off of candlesticks? And then, yeah, it busted out the analysis, and then I had to be a little bit more, hey, be straightforward. So I said, based off of what you see on the chart, make sure you analyze and then give me a price. Where do you think price will be in the 3 weeks? Give me an exact price point. And it said,
understood. Based on the current chart and the recent bullish signals at the support zone, I think in 3 weeks the NASDAQ will be around 15,300.
I said in 3 weeks from now, we'll have to make another video showing if it was correct or not. The fact is here, you can train it on whatever concepts you trade. Like for me personally, I trade SMC mixed with a couple other concepts. You can train it on that, and then it will save the information in the chat and it will remember it when you come back. So you can go in and train it to your concepts and then help you with your analysis based on what your concepts are. I asked it could help me do in my trading, risk management, and then I gave it a screenshot, just curious of what it would do with my analytics, because I've been struggling to pass a take profit eval for a little bit now. And so I want to know, what am I doing wrong in my trading and what do I need to do better? Explain my win rate is a little low. It explained my average winning trade, my R&R is a little low. It said I'm building up a lot of commissions and fees, so I'm over trading. And then I asked, how do I become better? And here's what it said.
Refine risk-reward ratio. Reassess your trade entry and exit points. Ensure that you're setting your take profit and stop loss levels to achieve a risk-reward ratio of at least 2 to 1. This adjustment can increase profitability even if the win rate remains unchanged. Reevaluate trading strategy. Backtested on historical data to confirm its viability, optimize costs.
Then I said, can you use the information based on a book called The Mental Game of Trading by Jared Tindler? Because I think that's a really good book to master your emotions in trading. And then yes, it told me, yeah, we can do that too. Went through and gave me 5 different ways it can help me with that. And then I said, can you help me build an indicator if I show you pictures? If you wanted to build an SMC indicator, you could screenshot the setup and then it can help you build the indicator. And then I said, if I show you pictures of ICT SMC concepts, can you learn them and help me master them?
Yes, I can help you understand and apply the concepts of Inner Circle Trader, ICT, Smart Money Concepts, SMC, based on the images and descriptions you provide. Once you share the pictures, I'll tackle the fundamentals, recalibrate your understanding, and assist in refining your application of those concepts in your trading endeavors. Go ahead and provide the visuals or details.
Here's what it came up with. So I used a picture of my Asia session turn strategy and then asked it to break down what it was and to help me learn it. I chose this concept because I know it like the back of my hand, and the instructions it gave were on point. So as you can see, this can really, really help you in your trading. I'll put the link in the description, but you just go to OpenAI or to the Play Store and you will see it right there. All right, and I'm gonna show you guys how you can get started with it. We're gonna go to Google and type in OpenAI, and then the first one that pops up, that's the legit one. There's kind of a lot of fake ones out there, so make sure you choose a website that is openai.com. So we'll go ahead and go click on there. Now, to be able to use the pictures in your chat and all that, you're gonna have to purchase the Plus plan. It is $20 a month and it gets you access to all of it. Anything you can think of. There's a million plugins you can use too that connect to all kinds of data feeds. But you go to here, you'll sign up, you'll pay the fee. Once you have the Plus version, you can download it on Google Play as well. And since you guys watched until the very end, I'm going to hook you up with a giveaway for a free prop firm evaluation. To get in the giveaway for the Bulenox 50K evaluation, you have to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and in the comments, tell me how you're going to use Chatgpt in your trading, and then subscribe to my newsletter. You can head to my website. It is Verified Funding Companies. And then once you're on the homepage here, you click on the discount page, which is right there. And then scroll down a little bit. And this is where you can enter your email and subscribe to my newsletter. If you're interested in getting funded, you can also check out my discount page. Bulenox 80% off. Profit Trader has probably the best discount right now. If you use the code KING, you get 40% off, and then you don't have an activation fee. So that saves you about $130 for a 50K account. And then I will pick the winner on October 29th by random. So make sure you turn the alerts on so you don't miss that video. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helps you get you one step closer to getting funded. If you want to learn more about how I trade, click in the right-hand corner right now and head to my YouTube.